Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be cooking some rice and peas and stewed chicken. Yeah, one of my subscribers reached out to me and asked me if I can cook some rice and peas and stewed chicken for them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done for them. So yeah, let me show you. This is stewed chicken already. Get it seasoned up. Yeah, so I'm gonna get it sorted out in a minute. So stay tuned and watch the process, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna start frying. Alright, we're gonna leave this and let it go on fry. So in the meantime, chicken frying. I'm gonna season up my rice pot. Yeah, man. Peas already cooked, so I'm gonna get some seasoning. And then, peas already cooked. So I'm gonna have my coconut milk and stuff. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get some coconut milk. I'm cooking the rice and peas in this pot, guys, so I'm getting it seasoned up now. Getting some seasoning in. That's my coconut milk in there. Now I'm gonna add, I've got a green pepper here. Yeah, that's going in there as well. Got some thyme. And I've got some chopped spring onions, so everything going in. Yeah. Everything going in there, like so. Alright. Yeah, in the meantime, guys, my chicken frying away. Yeah, man. So we're gonna add this little all-purpose. Leave this look. Let that go and boil up. As soon as this comes to a boil, then yeah, I'm gonna just add the rice in. Add the rice in. Then I'm gonna get the rice in. So stay tuned and watch the process, guys. Everything coming together nicely. Yeah, man, the chicken is frying nicely, taking its time. Yeah, so stay tuned. Soon come. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna get the rice in the pot. Now I'm going to wash my rice and I'm going to get it in now. Leave this now and let it go and cook. There, guys. Stay tuned. Going on, watch the process. My chicken coming out nicely. So yeah, and them to fry properly. I want them to fry properly fried chicken. Yeah, I'm making some stewed chicken for the subscriber. That's what they request. They're requesting stewed chicken and rice and peas. So that's what they're getting, yeah. Some proper stewed chicken and rice and peas. So yeah, stay tuned. Soon come. Yeah, man, still in the kitchen. I do my thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, guys. I'm gonna check on rice and peas. Oh yeah. One pot of rice and peas, guys. Lovely. Oh, it tastes so good. Where are you? Flavor up, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna get my sauce coming on to the stove now. Yeah, to make this sauce from the brown stew chicken. So stay tuned on our process. Come on. Soon come. Yeah guys, this is, I'm gonna make my sauce in this pot. So in here I've got some chopped tomato, I've got 2 chopped onion, chopped bell pepper, some chopped spring onion and 2 chopped onion. I've got 2 Irish in here as well, and I've got ginger. I haven't put any garlic as yet. I'm gonna put that in a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on and let it go and cook. So stay tuned and watch it process. So let's see how we deal with it today. Yeah, man. Chicken still fried. Take out the first set already. So this is the second batch. So I'm just waiting on these ones to fry properly. So as soon as them fry, guys, I'm gonna get them out. So stay tuned. Soon come. You guys, I'm just checking on the chicken. Come on, fried to satisfaction. So I'm gonna take them out now. Right, so now I'm gonna turn my attention to the sauce. And it's cooking nicely, so stay tuned, guys. Cook a bit. Right, meanwhile it's cooking, I'm gonna make some beetroot juice. As soon as that finish, I'll come back and add some scotch bonnet pepper, some ketchup and stuff in the sauce. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, then I'm gonna check on my sauce now. I'm gonna add a little jack seasoning. stay tuned guys until I'm getting the chicken in. So yeah, this is my sauce guys. It's exactly how I want it. Yeah man, and the flavor. Yeah, sensational. Sensational. Yeah man, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna have the chicken in. Brown stew chicken and rice and peas. Yeah man, what it is. So yeah guys, remember if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up. Yeah man, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit the subscription button guys. It's free of course. So you guys stay tuned, so come. Yeah guys, I'm gonna check on my stew chicken now. So yeah man, this is it. I'm finished product with the berries on top here. Yeah man, so this is it. Stew chicken guys, already started. Yeah man, that's the rice and peas over there. And this is my stew chicken. Yeah. Stew chicken. Vegetables. I'm a peppermint berries. Can you see that? Yeah man. This little piece of ginger. I've got my Irish in there as well. Some Irish in there as well. So yeah, it's a good look. So delicious. So yeah guys, stay tuned and don't forget to like up the video and share the video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Yeah man, we appreciate that. We appreciate your love and support. And yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to a few people. Yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to Nathan. Pick up yourself over there in Florida, Nathan, and say hi to your mom and dad and keep watching the videos. Yeah man. And Beverly, yeah man, whenever you're ready man, just give me a link. Whenever you're ready to come and have some of the food man, just link me up man. Yeah man. So have a nice day Beverly. Yeah man. Big up yourself. Yeah man. And to all the loyal subscribers. Yeah man, big up yourself. We're around here in our kitchen with them. So if you haven't heard your name, don't feel no way. Yeah man, just big up yourself. Yeah man, and stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna sample stew chicken and rice and peas. Yeah man. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in and dig into it now. And meanwhile I'm eating, I'm gonna big up some people. Nathan, big up yourself over there in Tampa, Florida. Yeah man, I see your comments. Say hi to your mommy and dad for me. Anika, Akil, yeah man, big up yourself. Big up on yourself. See the comments and every week, yeah man. And Beverly, big up yourself as well. Yeah man, thanks for supporting the thing. And to all the loyal subscribers, thanks for supporting the thing guys, yeah man. Keep doing, keep watching, yeah, and keep sharing the videos. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, yeah. And if you haven't subscribed, if you're just watching and just go ahead and hit the subscription button. Yeah man, free of course. Anyways, we're around here in the kitchen with it. So you know what? We'll enjoy some food guys, so stay tuned to Daddy D TV. Stay locked, keep it locked. You don't know around here. So I'm going to enjoy my dinner now, so stay tuned.